Okay. Viewers, another breaking news coming up on your screens now, and this is with respect to India's Russian crude oil imports as well. Now, sources are telling Business Today television that the Russian crude imports estimated that the Feb Russian crude imports are likely to slump by 0.8 million barrels per day to diversify the crude imports from Middle East, West Africa. We are also diversifying crude imports from Brazil, Nigeria, and Russian crude oil imports are likely to decline post the US-India trade deal. And we have Aishwarya Patil getting us all of those details. Aishwarya, first up, tell us, what are your sources telling us? Do we exactly have the number at which we are estimating a reduction as far as Russian crude oil import is concerned for the current month of February? Because 2nd of Feb is when the US-India trade deal announcement came through, and it was clearly mentioned, from the US side, from Donald Trump's Truth Social posts that we all knew, that he mentioned that he expects India to completely reduce Russian oil imports to zero and buy more from America and from Venezuela as well. Finally, do we have any indication towards that aspect?
Well, whether or not it will decline to completely negligible, that zero figure is something only time will tell, and we'll keep you posted on those details. But as far as our market sources that we spoke to, they have been telling us that the estimated February Russian crude imports will likely slump to less than 0.8 million barrels per day. Remember, in the first half of 2025, it was anywhere between 1.7 to 1.8 million barrels per day, and this is a significant decline and comes very close, as you rightly mentioned, to the US-India interim trade deal that we are still in talks with. Now, as far as replacing this Russian crude is concerned, that figure 1.7 million barrels per day will slowly begin to evolve. We will see diversification in different regions. What we've been given to understand is that we will now be looking towards Middle East, West Africa, Brazil, Nigeria, and more such countries to replace this Russian crude oil imports that we have been doing for years together. In order to fulfill that, we will be looking at or turning towards some of these countries. We've also recently, remember, at the India Energy Week, spoken to Oil Minister Hardeep Singh Puri, and he did mention about turning towards Canada for exploration. Of course, the US trade deals also comes with a trade-off for getting more energy products from the US as well. So as far as crude imports are concerned, India really heavily needs to also rely on its domestic production. India Energy Week, they also highlighted that domestic exploration also needs to go up. So all in all, we will be seeing an evolving crude basket in the months to come. Some have also suggested very cautiously that it could likely go down to zero, negligible as well. But we'll only have to see what happens in the markets going forward in March and April. So far, February, it has declined to 0.8 million barrels per day is what our sources are telling us from the crude space.
Important update there, Aishwarya. Thanks a lot for getting us those details. It is estimated that the February imports of Russian crude oil have dropped to less than 0.8 million barrels per day. Remember, they have, of course, halved from what we were seeing in the previous months. It was almost 1.7, 1.8 million barrels per day is what Aishwarya tells us. And now, for February, it could well be half of what in the last couple of months that we had been importing from Russia, and some experts also indicate there wouldn't be any surprise if it goes down to near zero. That's, however, not confirmed, and we will be awaiting a clarity on that as well.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.